So today I'm going to do some gold filters. I've just cleaned this out. I put all the filters in this large beaker. So these are all from refining gold. And I've done it twice before, so I'll be putting that Coregia straight in there and getting any excess gold out that way. I know a lot of people burn it and do it that way, but I've always done it this way and I always seem to get a little bit of gold out, so that's the way I'll be doing it. So them filters, I've been simmering all night long. I think I put about 800 millilitres of hydrochloric acid and about 200 millilitres of nitric acid to break it all down, and it seems to have done the job. Pretty much all liquid in there, and now I'm just filtering it out today. Put some ice in there. Filtering out lovely. So we'll see if we've got any gold trapped in this. We'll have to do the silver filters soon, because they're full up. Yeah, today is the gold filters. Hopefully I'll get that filtered by the end of the day. So I'm filtering all these filters that have been in that Coregia. These are all the old gold filters. And when it's been filtered, it's going to go into this large beaker, and then I'll drop out any gold that's in there. Quite a bit to go though. This is all the Coregia. So I've filtered everything. This is what I've got left in the filters. We'll be testing that after. And this. Washed it through a few times. And this is what we're left with. This sort of greeny coloured solution. So I think what I might do is I'm going to try put 1 spoon of urea to see if there's any excess nitric in there, and then I'm going to try and drop it with sodium metabisulfate. Let's do that next. I've got 2 spoons of sodium metabisulfate in here and I've given it a shake. So I'm going to add this now. I did see some colour as I poured it, maybe it's not enough. See specks in there. No idea what that is. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but there's little shiny specks. That's new. I'm not sure what that is. I'm starting to go black now. I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm just going to make up some more and add some more. So I'll put another 2 spoons in there. I'm going to add that now. let's see what it looks like when I add it directly to the solution. I'm doing this because when I add it, I seem to get this dark brown colour and then it goes away. There and then it's gone. I don't know if that's because of excess nitric in there, but I'll put some urea in there. I'm going to give that a stir and leave that overnight and see what we get tomorrow. So this is the next day, and what I'm going to do is pour this top half off and see if there's anything in the bottom. Can't see anything because it's quite dark, the solution. But we'll have a look. Right, I poured it off. There was a little bit of powder that went over with that, and I poured the last bit into another beaker, a smaller beaker, but it's like micro gold. It's very, very small gold. So let's wait until that settles again, see if this settles out. It's going to take a little bit longer to settle this lot. Might have to filter it and then refine it again. Giving it a stir, so I'll come back tomorrow and hope that's all dropped out. I should have really tested it with some stannous chloride, but I've got none made up at the moment. Maybe I'll make some up tomorrow. So I spent all day filtering. This is what I got from them Aqua Regia, and the gold was so fine it was going through the filters, so I had to double filter it to get it that clear. And all the filters I put into Aqua Regia again. And that's been on for about an hour now, so that is pretty much ready. So in a minute I'm going to filter that and then drop the gold again, and hopefully it won't be super fine. So I'll come back to that in a minute. So this is finished now, it's all dissolved. I've just put some urea in to neutralise it. Now I'm going to add some sodium metabisulfate. Drop the gold out for the second time. So I forgot one step, I'm just about to do it. I need to filter this first. When it's fine, I'll put the urea in to neutralise it, but I still need to filter it. So I'm going to do that first and then I'll drop it. I've made up some sodium metabisulfate there, just 1 spoon. So once that's filtered, we'll drop it out. The gold trapped in this. We'll have to do the silver filters soon, because they're full up. Yeah, today is the gold filters. Hopefully I'll get that filter by the end of the day. So what I've done here, I've got myself a funnel, got a bit of rubber in there so I can move it about where I need it. And I put some cotton wool balls in there, which are this size, and I put 4 of them together to pack it out at the bottom. So we've got 4 of them little balls, and that should be plenty to filter that out. That is very tight in there, so I won't need a coffee filter for that. So I'm going to fill that up now. So that's full up now. Probably done about half of it, and it's just started to drip through now, and it's coming through lovely and clear. So I'll let that do its thing, and then I'll do the other half. There's no rush. I could use some more beakers, but there's no rush. I'll just let that drain through, and then I'll put the other half in. And then this down here we can put into another beaker and then drop the gold out. So this is the Aqua Regia from them filters. This is second refine. So I'm ready to drop this with some sodium metabisulfate. That is crystal clear. It's lovely. I think I've got 1 spoon mixed up in here. Let's add that to it. And hopefully that should go black. I think I'm going to make 1 more spoon up. Made another spoon up, giving it a shake, get it in there. Taking a while to convert. I know there's gold in there. So I've never seen this before. This is about 3 minutes later, and you can see it's dropped out some gold right in the middle where I've stirred it, but the solution hasn't changed colour. So this is new to me. It must have a contaminant in there. Well, I'm still going to leave that for about half an hour. If there's no joy, I'm going to put some more sodium metabisulfate. I'm pretty sure it's neutralised now. So we'll see. So I'll come back after half an hour, and it's gone a bit darker, a lot darker. So it's dropping out the gold. So I'll leave that, probably leave that till tomorrow for it to properly settle out. So this is that second refine. And we've got gold at the bottom there. It's not a lot, but it's just from the filters. I want to get that solution off the top and see what we got. And this is what we got. Not a lot at all. like give it another couple of rinses and then dry it out, and then we'll get a weight on it. We'll put it in the XRF machine and see how pure it is. But it looks like less than a gram to me. So I've got this drying out now, and I've washed it through, and I'll wash it into this jar here, so any tiny bits of gold we can catch. So we'll come back to this when it's dry. There's the mud. So this is all dried out now. So I'm going to take it in and get a weight and test it. Okay, let's see what we got. Well, not even a gram, half a gram of gold. No, 50 quid's worth of gold. Not a lot at all. Oh, that's the way it is. I must have refined the gold well to only have a small amount. So I'm still going to put it in the XRF machine and see what the purity is. So I'll fast forward this bit. Okay, we've nearly got 24 carat, we've got 23.59 carat, which is 98.31% gold and 1.68% silver. I mean, that's not bad, first refine, but it's just not a lot. So that concludes that video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, because it really helps my channel, and hopefully we'll do something a bit better next time.